In this video, we will address the plague of homelessness that is a major problem in every corner of this planet, touching the lives of millions of people. We address what Onpassive and Mr. Ashmafara are doing to help. According to the dictionary, homelessness is defined in 3 categories: marginal, recent, and chronic. 31 million children suffer from homelessness in varying degrees throughout the earth. It takes more than just feeling sorry for the ones who are homeless. Something had to be put in place that could have a far-reaching effect. One person who has been helping people all his adult life is Mr. Ashmafara. Onpassive is fighting for the homeless. Nothing that has ever been designed by any human has been designed better than Mr. Ashmafara's Onpassive to combat homelessness. Onpassive is built to help relieve some of the despair and suffering of homeless people. This is a plague that has not been addressed properly until now. Finally, a giant corporation, an IT company, has the heart to help those poor souls out of their misery. Being able to use some of Onpassive's resources will be a welcome change. Mr. Mafara has been a champion for the homeless all his adult life. He and his family have committed themselves to making a positive impact on homelessness. To that end, Onpassive has dedicated an entire platform to addressing this enemy of the people. The name of that platform is Uplift. Mr. Mafara has asked one of the founders to spearhead and organize the direction that Onpassive wants to go to help alleviate this homelessness. Chris Johnson is organizing a group of like-minded founders from all over the earth in more than 200 countries to help. Almost every country on this earth has a problem with homeless people living on the streets in those countries. The people are being ignored or given token recognition by those countries. Ignoring the problem will not make the problem better. It makes it worse. Onpassive's designer Mr. Ashmafara and his family are pained by all this misery. His goal in life was to create a business that could help people who needed something that could change their lives for the better. The profit motive has never been something that moved Mr. Mafara to create Onpassive and Uplift. Uplift addresses homelessness by offering donors, who are moved to give from their hearts, the means to help the ones they desire, without costing them a fee for using Uplift's crowdfunding system. Uplift uses a dynamic state-of-the-art, digital platform-driven, and is enhanced by artificial intelligence and machine learning. This enables Uplift to reach the masses of homeless people. Mr. Mafara realized that he could not do this colossal job by himself. He needed partners to help him out. He designed a business model that would attract great people, loving people and caring people to help him. He did that by creating a position in Onpassive called the Founder's Position. The Founder's Position in Onpassive. Over 1,300,000 founders, spread out in over 200 countries. Who better knows what is going on in those countries than the founders who live in those countries? Now Uplift and Chris Johnson have a huge army of warriors to help fight homelessness. Thank you Mr. Ashmafara and family for caring for the homeless.